So Qigong is an ancient practice. It's a form of Tai Chi, and I've been practicing Qigong for about the last 5 years. And I encountered it when I was really looking for something that would help me not only to build strength and engage in movement that was not going to cause additional inflammation or pain, but also something that would engage my mind. And so Qigong is a perfect marriage in that way. It's really using movement and breath and posture to cultivate energy and awareness. And that's what really attracted me to it. So as a moving meditation, there are many facets to Qigong and people practice it all different ways. But the main goal of Qigong is really to enhance long-term quality of life. So I'll just show you one of our movements from our metal protocol, which we practice in the fall, but also throughout the year. And it's called Phoenix Ascends the Flames. And so with Qigong, we're always thinking about how we're standing, how we're breathing, and how we're moving to open up various joints throughout the body that maybe don't always get the attention that they need, including things like our wrists and our fingers. So with Phoenix Ascend the Flames, we're going to keep our feet hip-width distance apart. We'll tuck our tailbone under to engage the core. So we're building core strength and also building heat here through our lower abdominal breathing. We'll bring our hands just in front of our lower abdomen, and as we inhale, arms lift, gaze lifts, gentle flick of the wrists. Exhale, bringing the arms back to rest in front of the lower abdomen and lowering the gaze. And so in doing that, we're beginning to move not only oxygen and nutrient-rich blood, but we're also moving lymph throughout the body. In some movements, we're pumping our calves. And so again, we're getting that circulation happening, but we're also circulating qi. And that is really important on an energetic level to our overall sense of well-being. And that's what really attracted me to the practice, is that when I walk away from teaching or practicing, I just feel so much more balanced. I feel like I can move forward in my day with positivity. So I hope you'll join me for a practice. I do teach every Tuesday at noon at PTBO Cairo, the corner of Park in Charlotte, and I'd be really happy to teach you a little bit more about Qigong and have you join me. So thank you for your time and have a wonderful day.